going to talk all about shoulders, how to finish them off during a workout so that they can look big, thick, wide, and you can just look massive overall. So if you guys are looking to get big, let's jump into the workout. The first movement, you're going to really just grab hold of a rack, a pole, something that you can put your body weight against. You're going to grab the pole, you're going to lean away from it so your body is at an angle, slight angle, and let that arm just droop on the side of you. And you're going to take a dumbbell, a weight that you can handle pretty acceptably. It shouldn't be super heavy, but also we know you want to go as heavy as you possibly can on this movement. So grab a weight that you're comfortable with. What you're going to do is you're going to split this up into sections. The first 5 reps, you're going to hold it out to the side, hold it for 5 seconds, and then slowly bring it down. Next rep, hold for 5 seconds at the top, slowly come down. You're going to do 5 reps just like that. The second set of 5, you're going to go just full movement all the way to the top, nice and controlled, up and down. Then the last, you're going to do 5 reps partial. Never let them come all the way to your side and never go all the way to the top. It's just going to be a real short movement. Then after that, you're going to take it and just blast the rest of them. You're not going to go for a count. You're just going to hammer your shoulders as hard as you possibly can. So to finish it off, you're going to just go up, rotate that thumb as much as you possibly can, just like you're pouring a drink out, and then down nice and slow. Up, couple second hold as you bring it down, remembering to point that thumb down at the bottom, down towards the ground as you get to the very top of the movement. It's going to really put all that stress on the side head, the lateral head of the deltoid, and just absolutely trash your shoulders. All right, guys, now I know I said your arms are going to be toast, your shoulders are just blasted, but we can't just finish it off right there. We have to take it to the absolute max, right? So this next one, you're gonna sit on a bench, just have everything nice and aligned, straight. You're gonna grab some dumbbells, hold them in front of you, and trust me when I say you're gonna wanna go light on this. I use maybe 10 to 15 pound dumbbells at the most. What you're gonna do is hold those dumbbells out in front of you right here. And as you go outwards, you're gonna also rotate those thumbs down towards the bottom. It's going to be an absolute crazy amount of stress on the shoulders as the arms come out and those thumbs get pointed down. We wanna have those elbows rotate as well. So it's not just in the forearms, but the elbows are rotating as you come outwards. You're gonna hold for 2 seconds and then bring them right back in nice and controlled. It's not just throwing them out there, everything's super controlled. Give this a good count of 10 to 15 reps with that 2 second pause at the very furthest out, and I promise you, you won't be able to move. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and really if you guys are looking to get massive, get in shape, get fit, check out these other videos as well. I know you'll like those. Hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up. We appreciate it. We'll see you guys next time.